In today's video, we will explore the possibility of time travel in reality. This question has been the subject of various movies and YouTube videos featuring cars and characters traveling to the future. However, we need to determine if this is truly possible. Join us as we delve into this intriguing topic. After watching science fiction movies and reading novels on this topic, many of us are left with various questions in our minds. However, it is important to note that the depiction of time travel in these movies is not based on scientifically proven research conducted thus far. NASA's Space Telescope offers a unique glimpse into the past, allowing us to see distant stars and galaxies as they appeared long ago. When we observe these celestial bodies through the telescope, we are effectively peering into the history of the universe. The light emitted by these faraway galaxies takes an extensive amount of time to reach us, giving us a valuable opportunity to witness the past through our own eyes. Scientifically speaking, whether one likes it or not, every one of us is constantly moving forward in time at a rate of 1 second per second. This phenomenon is explained by the theory of relativity, which describes our existence in a four-dimensional sequence known as space-time. Furthermore, the theory of relativity suggests that space and time can interchange with one another. Einstein's groundbreaking discovery revealed the relationship between travel velocity in space and the passage of time. Essentially, the faster you travel, the slower time progresses for you, resulting in a decrease in your age. This theory also established the fundamental principle that nothing can exceed the speed of light, which is nearly 186,000 miles per second or 1 light year per year. If a spacecraft travels at 99% of the speed of light, it can cover a distance of 1 light year in just over a year. However, what is truly fascinating is that, for the astronauts on board, only 7 weeks will have passed. This phenomenon is known as time dilation, an implication of relativity. And what this essentially means is that the astronauts have essentially jumped ahead 10 months into the future. On the other hand, countless science fiction writers and showrunners have presented time travel in a way that truly astounds people, which is an entirely different concept. Movies such as Doctor Who, Star Trek, Interstellar, and Back to the Future have depicted characters who are able to travel back in time to gather information about the future, get into a strange car, or enter into a wormhole and then also return. In this context, stories about time travel explore the concept of parallel universes or alternate timelines within our own world. Due to the immense popularity among fans, this genre has evolved significantly, resulting in over 400 movies centered around time travel. Although H.G. Wells' novel, The Time Machine, was written in 1895 and touched on the concept of time travel, it wasn't until the 20th century that scientific theories regarding this subject began to emerge. The breakthrough came with Albert Einstein's theory of relativity in 1915, which prompted numerous experiments to be conducted. However, despite these efforts, no significant results were found. In 1959, mathematician Kurt Gödel presented a fascinating scenario in which the entire universe was envisioned as a perpetual revolving entity. Gödel, a friend and colleague of Einstein at Princeton University, proposed that the equation of time travel suggests that a moving universe could serve as a functioning time machine. Moreover, until 1980, theoretical physicists Kip Thorne, Carl Sagan, and Young Baek Kim discussed the potential use of wormholes and black holes for time travel. However, it is important to note that these ideas remain purely theoretical at this point, and scientists have not provided any evidence regarding their feasibility. What are your thoughts on the matter? Please be sure to share them with us. But why stop at just one video? Join our ever-growing community of curious minds by subscribing today, and the best part, it's absolutely free.